Marcus,
Hey,
ready?
Judge, yes, approach on Mr. Perez, it's an arraignment. May I call him up?
Yeah, please.
Ricardo Perez?
Is this all you have today, Marcus?
No, I've got other ones I need to talk to you about.
What is the case number?
It is 255-6010.
Buenos días, señor. Nomás conteste.
Perez, you were charged with assault, bodily injury. You were facing up to a year in jail.
Here we see the arraignment unfolding. The judge reads the charges and explains potential consequences, up to a year in jail and a $4,000 fine. It might seem straightforward, but in court, every word counts. Notice how the defendant is informed of his right to remain silent and to have an attorney. This is a cornerstone of legal protection. Audience, what would you do if you were in his shoes right now?
And or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. Okay. Hi, Atkins. Good morning.
On March 16th,
El 16 de marzo
2025,
2020,
officers were dispatched to an assault with injuries located at 4000 Hollister in Harris County, Texas. The officers were unable to speak with the complainant because his injuries caused him to be unconscious. Officers reviewed surveillance, which showed that the defendant pushed down the complainant with both of his hands, causing the complainant to hit his head first on the concrete. It also showed the complainant to be unconscious. The defendant was identified through a witness who called him out on the scene and identified him, and the defendant matched the person in the surveillance footage.
Where was this? Is it at a bar? Are you drinking? What?
It doesn't state, it just gives an address.
I believe it was at an apartment complex where he resides. My understanding. I guess we'll see what the surveillance shows.
Mr. Perez, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. I want you to understand that I'm going to do everything in my power to protect my city at all costs. This is now your second assault within the last year and a half to 2 years. If I find that you so much as put hands on any single person, I'm going to lock you up. I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with permission and you go to jail and immigration finds you, they will put a detainer on you. Do you understand?
¿Usted lo entiende?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or
Whoa! Now the tension ramps up. The judge delivers a stern warning, strict no-contact orders, bans on alcohol and drugs, and even potential immigration consequences if the defendant violates them. This is a rare moment where courtroom procedure intersects with life-altering stakes. Do you think this level of strictness is fair, or is it too much? Drop your thoughts below.
prescribed controlled medication, I'm going to write it. If I find that you're using, likewise, I will put you in jail. You're ordered not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case, not to be in possession of any weapons, or not to go within 200 feet of where he lives or where he works. For now, I will have you go to Ramona, to Victoria to sign a reset. After that, I'll get you with Felicia for your bond conditions. Be careful. You are skirting extremely thin ice. Do you understand? If that ice cracks, your butt's gonna freeze. Come on.
You want me to adjust my other,
Come on.
I have about three others. Cruz, Jose Cruz.
Okay.
We submitted the PT application mitigation and the TRAS. We're just waiting on, it was approved. We're waiting on the contract.
Okay, so let's set it 2 weeks for you to get everything done.
Okay. Can I waive my client's appearance?
Yeah, if he doesn't have everything done though, then he's gotta be here because it's an old case.
Okay, he's here today.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll waive it as long as he's,
And just like that, the courtroom shifts back to procedural matters, setting deadlines, waiving parental appearances, and handling paperwork. It's fascinating how courtrooms balance high-stakes drama with administrative details. Audience, did you notice how quickly the tone flips from serious warnings to these day-to-day steps? Court life is a tightrope between tension and routine.
got everything done, they're ready to file the supervision order and,
Perfect.
okay,
Next one is Guevara, Guevara, Jose.
okay.
We're waiting on approval. We submitted the PTA application and mitigation on Friday. This is the one that we had talked like a week ago, that we just found out he needed it, so we submitted everything. We're waiting on approval.
Okay, I guess let's do it again. We'll give it another week.
2 weeks?
No, 1 week.
1 week.
It's 250 days.
Okay, and then, the last
Same
one,
thing, it'll be waived if it's not approved or denied by the next one, then I'll send an email myself because it's, yeah. Okay,
my last one is Diego Gonzalez. Again, same situation. Last time we were here, Judge, I was emailing back and forth with Ashley. Initially, she had said he's denied because he
Right,
he
no
didn't have
insurance,
insurance, and I said,
right.
no, he does have insurance. And Geico's been trying to get a hold of the CW, and even the DAs are having a hard time getting a hold of the CW. So I'm waiting to hear from her.
I did give her, you gave it in.
I emailed her both. Yes, I emailed her the letter from Geico and insurance.
Let's give it a week also to see if she approves or denies. Same
Great,
thing.
that's all I got. Thank you, Judge. May I be excused? Thanks.
This is a off docket matter. It's just really quick that I want to bring to your attention. Jonathan Lopez, you scheduled him for a TRAS. He refused to do the TRAS. We're due back in court on Monday. I'm not sure if you wanted to put him on docket sooner to address it. Cause number is 255-5478.
This is the one you're on the BPO with the fund that's right.
Okay, no, just,
We're okay for Monday? Sure. Okay, I just wanted to bring it to your attention.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Judge. Okay, thank you. May I be excused?